Don't have a GSTIN? Don't worry. Have a composition GSTIN? Don't worry. You can now register and start selling on Meesho. If you don't have a GSTIN, all you need is an enrollment ID from the GST portal and your bank details to begin your journey on Meesho. If you don't add bank details, you can still access the supplier panel. While you will be able to upload catalogs without completing the entire registration, you will not start receiving orders until registration is complete. All you have to do is follow these 5 easy steps. Step 1. Visit supplier.meesho.com, click Start Selling, add your mobile number and click Send OTP. Enter the OTP sent to your number, provide your email ID, set a new password and click Create Account. Step 2. If you have a regular GSTIN or a composition GSTIN, input it on this page and click Verify. Double check your details and click on Continue. If you want to apply for GSTIN, you can click on the Apply Now button to apply through Vakil Search, our partner. If you don't have a regular GSTIN, you can use your enrollment ID or UIN to sell locally in your registered state. In case you don't have one, you can get it easily by visiting the GST portal or by simply clicking on Apply Now. Once you are on the GST portal, choose to apply as a supplier to e-commerce operators and then click on Proceed, after which you will have to submit the required details and do the OTP verification. Once registered, you will get the enrollment ID or UIN. You can now enter the enrollment ID or UIN on the supplier panel and click on Verify. Double check your details and click on Continue. Step 3. Then fill in your pickup address. Ensure it's the correct address and the state in the address matches the state mentioned on your composition GSTIN or enrollment ID registration details. Step 4. Add your bank account number and IFSC code. The bank account's beneficiary name must match the registered legal name or trade name mentioned on the composition GSTIN or enrollment ID registration details. Once you input the details, click on Verify Bank Details. If you don't have your bank details handy or are still in the process of making a bank account, click the box next to I will provide details later and click Continue. Step 5. Add your full name and the name of your store. The store name you input will be visible on the Meesho app with your listed products. If you wish to add your store details later, check the box next to I will provide details later and click Continue. If you have selected I will provide details later for any of the previous steps, click on Complete Now button on your home page and enter the pending details to complete your registration from the supplier panel. Registering on Meesho has never been easier. Take your store online and boost business with Meesho. Happy selling!
If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel.